Welcome students. Previous class we taught plane. What's a plane? What's a point? What's a line? What's a line segment? Then what is a ray? I gave some definitions for each and every figures. So today we will discuss intersecting lines. It's a sixth one, 6 points. Intersecting lines. So the definition of intersecting lines: when two lines meet at one point, they are called intersecting lines. Okay, it's important. Two more questions. Define intersecting lines. The definition of intersecting lines: when two lines meet at one point, they are called intersecting lines. Example: the line AB, the line CD meet at one point. The point name is P. So the point AB and CD are intersecting lines. So when we write intersecting lines, AB we have to put upside the double side arrow and CD upside arrow. When we are read, the AB and CD are called intersecting lines. So here AB is a line, CD is another line. Both are crossing the point of P. So that's why AB and CD both are intersecting lines. Let me see what is parallel line. The definition of parallel lines: two lines that are at the same distance. Two lines that are at the same distance and do not meet are called parallel lines. If you see the example, the line AB and CD both are parallel lines because both lines are never meet anywhere. So that's why AB and CD are parallel lines. So we can read as line AB is parallel to line CD, means line AB is parallel to line CD. So how we can write line AB upside the arrow mark, double side arrow mark, then CD upside arrow mark. So we can written like this: parallel lines. Let me discuss the perpendicular lines. The definition of perpendicular lines is when two intersecting lines make a right angle at the point of intersection, then they are called perpendicular lines. If you notice the diagram, the line AB and line CD, they are crossing they are meet in exact point P. In point P, if you see the in downside, in every sides they have making some angle, means the distance of the angle APC and APD and DPB, then BPC, all the angles are 90 degree. So in this kind of lines we call perpendicular lines. So APC means APC 90 degree, then APD 90 degree. We can write like this: APD 90 degree, then APC already I written, then DPB 90 degree, then BPC. So if you see all the directions, the angle is perfect. So in this kind of lines, means the the line AB is perpendicular to CD. Because why we say no? Because the line AB is perpendicular to CD. Why? Means in all sides are same distance, same angle. So four sides are same angle. So that's why we say AB is perpendicular to the CD.